Hello everyone, today I am reviewing Oterkin Privacy Screen Protector for iPhone 17 Pro. Let's open the box. It's easy to install. I am going to show you how to do. Yes, I'm going to remove my old screen protector. Okay. It comes with two screen protectors, so you can use one of them as a backup. Okay. Let's first wet. Clean. Clean like that. Okay. Okay, then dust. Okay, let's remove case. This is our case. Take out this one and put it. Look, it fits my phone very well. The screen looks clear when I am using my phone. The best things is the privacy feature. I can see my screen clearly, but the people next to me cannot see it very well. This is great when you are working coffee shop, airport, or on the bus. Touch screen still works great. I can type, scroll, and watch videos without any problem. Look. I also like the glass feels strong. It helps protect my screen from scratch and works well with my phone case. If you want to protect your phone and keep your screen private, I think this is a good choice. Thank you for watching.